Nuclear energy policy unfolds as a complex and strategic narrative within the domain of governance, where decisions and actions are meticulously crafted to guide the development, regulation, and utilization of nuclear energy resources. This narrative interweaves through policies and measures designed to ensure the safe, secure, and responsible use of nuclear power while addressing concerns related to proliferation, environmental impact, and energy sustainability. Imagine the nuclear energy landscape assessment phase, where policymakers meticulously analyze the existing state of nuclear energy resources, infrastructure, and technological capabilities. This phase marks the inception of the nuclear energy policy narrative, emphasizing the need to understand the opportunities and challenges within the nuclear energy sector. As the narrative progresses, the safety and security protocols phase takes center stage. Policymakers implement stringent safety and security measures to ensure the reliable and responsible operation of nuclear facilities. This phase embodies a commitment to preventing accidents, safeguarding against unauthorized access, and managing radioactive materials responsibly. The narrative extends to the regulatory framework and international cooperation phase. Policymakers work to establish robust regulatory frameworks that govern the licensing, operation, and decommissioning of nuclear facilities. This phase also involves international cooperation to set common standards and share best practices for nuclear safety and security. Yet, the narrative encounters the nuclear proliferation and non-proliferation challenges phase. Policymakers address concerns related to the potential misuse of nuclear technology for weapons purposes. This phase emphasizes international efforts to prevent nuclear weapons proliferation, including diplomatic initiatives, arms control agreements, and non-proliferation treaties. In the waste management and environmental impact phase, the narrative adapts to the imperative of addressing nuclear waste and environmental concerns. Policymakers implement strategies for the safe disposal and long-term management of nuclear waste, as well as measures to minimize the environmental impact of nuclear energy production. In the advanced technologies and innovation phase, the narrative takes a forward-looking turn. Policymakers incentivize research and development in advanced nuclear technologies, including small modular reactors, SMRs, next-generation reactors, and innovative fuel cycles. This phase underscores the role of technological innovation in enhancing the safety, efficiency, and sustainability of nuclear energy. In the public engagement and communication phase, the narrative becomes community-focused. Policymakers actively engage with the public, fostering transparency and providing information about nuclear energy policies. This phase emphasizes the importance of building public trust and understanding to garner support for nuclear energy initiatives. In the energy transition and nuclear as a low-carbon option phase, the narrative adapts to global efforts to address climate change. Policymakers position nuclear energy as a low-carbon option, recognizing its potential to contribute to a clean energy transition alongside renewable sources. This phase involves integrating nuclear power into broader energy policies aimed at reducing greenhouse gas emissions. In the grand tapestry of nuclear energy policy, the narrative is one of careful stewardship, international collaboration, and the relentless pursuit of a safe and sustainable nuclear energy future. It is a story that acknowledges the dual nature of nuclear technology, the need for responsible governance, and the ongoing commitment to harnessing nuclear power for the benefit of humanity while addressing its complex challenges.